That man, so that's a Factor blue, CRZ blue.
Yun,
O2?
CRZ blue.
Yep. An 80mm stem. Yeah, it's upright, but yeah, let's find out. Finished a morning ride with Tom and Ian and Lan here in Clark, and before we head off for lunch, we are going to be meeting Wilson. Wilson was a former student. He already finished his biomechanical tuning. He came from us from Nueva Ecija after seeing one of his friends drastically improve. So as we all know, Nueva Ecija is a hotbed for cycling. Like, some of the best Marlboro Tour riders came from Nueva Ecija. Very deep cycling culture. Wilson came to us because somehow he started to get frustrated with his previous ownership of a bike, because he's always had numb fingers, lower back pain, all the typical stresses of owning a bike. And he had a biomechanical tuning, and since then he decided to buy a new bike, and part of the services, yeah, you can exit from there and then turn left. So his next project was, he decided to buy a bike, and this is where the problem started. When he wanted to buy a bike, we said, we're gonna give you free consultation before you buy a bike. He's 5'7", 5'8". Then, against all odds, when he went to the bike shop, they were pushing him to get a size 52 bicycle. And we said, we strongly disagreed. We said, CRZ will guarantee that you have to buy a size 49. Against everyone's advice, they were really convincing him that that bike is too small for a 5'7", 5'8" guy. Then I said, well, if the size 49, as we advised, does not fit you, we will buy it from you as a guarantee. Because I said, what if the bike shop, pays you or sells you the bike size 52 with a 100mm stem, and when you bike, you start having numb fingers, lower back pain, spasms. Is it okay for you to give it back and replace it with a smaller bike? You're never gonna do that, because there's no guarantee that the sizing will work. For CRZ, since we don't have a bike shop, we don't own any brands, we're not sponsored by any brands, our only main concern is you. So we had to guarantee to Wilson that, get the size 49, if it doesn't work, we'll pay you back, or we're gonna buy it from you. But if it works, then maybe you can start inspiring other people that there's such a thing called biomechanical tuning sizing, that height is not always the only metric for bike sizing. There's more to it than that. We have to check your sternum length, overall body length, to determine the actual top tube length. So today he's just having coffee, but we're gonna call him in a moment. This is his first time to actually fit on his brand new bike, and you'll witness how he would look like. I also haven't seen him ride, so I'm also gonna be surprised if he can do some of the stuff that we're gonna ask him to do. Okay, so we'll be back. We're just gonna fix the bikes right now. We got some stickers for you in the future. So our first tool for bike fitting will be our trusty. We got some gold shoes at the moment, so we just wear this on special days. So this is what we usually use for bike fitting. Okay, leveler. Okay, see you in a moment. Oh, looks cool, huh? Size 49. Right? This is the first time I've seen you. Come on. Let's see if the recommendation really works. That's a beautiful Factor bike. Beautiful. That's an O2, right? Yep. Okay. So, according to Wilson, the primary advice of the bike shop was size what?
52.
52. So in an industry standard, that's not wrong, okay?
Even sa mga kakilala ko, ganun, 52 gusto
It's
nila.
always 52, okay? So well, we just want to make sure. So Wilson already had his biomechanical tuning a long ways back.
Mhm.
So he had an Argon, beautiful bike, but it didn't fit him. It's not because he chose the wrong bike, it's just because somehow what the industry was recommending to him didn't fit. So we fixed it. And then finally he said, okay coach, I want to get a real bike. What do I get? And I said, mark my word, for your physiology, I'm telling you, the industry, the bike shops, your friends will tell you to get a 52, and true enough, right?
52.
52. And then we said, no. Mark my word, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna buy it back from you, get a 49. Everyone went crazy. Everyone said, that's like a BMX for you. Worse is that you get a 52 plus a 100 stem, right?
May nagsasabi na mag 90 or 100 stem ako. Kasi sabi ko 80 lang.
Right.
80 lang. So sabi nila, hindi, 100. May nagsabi ng ganun. Hindi naman.
Okay. Not everyone, but so the irony is, he got a 49 plus an 80 stem.
No.
So he got the smallest bike plus an 80 stem. So it doesn't support the mainstream narrative. So today, I haven't seen him bike, huh? I've never seen him bike, and my guarantee to him is that if the bike is too small for him, or it doesn't fit him, or is not comfortable, I have to pay him full for all his purchases because it's my fault. But that's just how it is. When you don't own a brand, you're not sponsored by a brand, we won't really care what brand you want. What we care about is that person. So Wilson drove all the way from Cabanatuan, where we see us. So all the Biker Dude fans, I'm a fan of Biker Dude. We're gonna see you there next time. We're gonna ride with this guy in Silex in Aliaga. So hopefully you can join us. So let's start the episode for the day, and let's see if a size 49 would fit this beautiful boy over here, okay? Look at that, man. So that's a Factor blue. It's CRZ blue.
Yun.
O2.
CRZ blue.
Yep. An 80mm stem. Yeah, it's upright, but yeah, let's find out. And okay, let's set up. Come on. So at the moment, we're gonna be setting up here on our very beautiful outdoor setup. Okay, right? Beautiful, man. Okay, so we're done with the bike fit. So this is the biggest reveal. I've never seen Wilson ride this bike before. Never, okay? So just to summarize the highlight of the episode, the industry and all the bike shop and most of his friends recommended that for his size as a giant, he should get a size 52. Now, we're gonna try to demonstrate to you in a visual manner how biomechanical sizing is seen more as a bespoke way of sizing a bike. It's because everyone knows that we design bikes. We make custom-made titaniums. So this is the concept behind custom-made titaniums, how we design them. So now this size 49 bike, let's see if it's gonna fit. Hop in, okay? I'm crossing my fingers, man. I'm nervous if this is gonna look like a BMX to you. Size 49 versus a size 52. Dude, you look good. Now you can reach it, right? So when you hold the hoods, you don't hold it like that because the chink here, yeah, 3 fingers down, right? Okay, and then this one inside, there you go. And then just straighten, okay? So now you see Wilson on the bike. He was supposed to have a size 52 bike. This is how he looks like in reality, in visual reference on a size 49 against everyone's opinion, okay? Okay, good. So, that's it. So if you notice now how Justin's posture is, he looks more upright. If you look at his line of sight, this one, his line of sight going straight, this part, okay? His neck will never strain anymore. Number 2, if you notice, because of the top tube length, his wrists and his hands are just patong. They're just there on the hoods, right? They're just there in the hoods, very relaxed. Now you can now steer the bike anytime you want, right? Okay, now we're gonna demonstrate to you, because this is not a bike fit anymore. I already biomechanically tuned you. It's just that this is your new purchase. I'm gonna show you right now on those really steep climbs how you start bike. Can you start biking like just rotate the bike? Rotate. Very nice. This is how Justin looks like. Wilson, a little bit faster than that. Very nice. Very nice. That's it. Look forward. So this is Wilson now. Wow, dude, you look good. I'm serious. Okay. So this is Wilson now on the typical chase mode. Okay. So if you notice how compact he's become on a size 49. Size 49 versus size 52. If he had a 52 like this, he's never gonna be able to do this. Okay. So just keep on going. Now we're gonna start sprinting, okay? Just keep it steady. Keep that steady. Keep that steady. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna shift the gears now. Just keep that steady. Keep that steady. Squeeze your chest together. This one, squeeze. Okay, ready? Set. Go, go. Push down. Come on, push down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, recover. How do you recover? Slide back. Put your hands backward. There you go. Slide backward on the saddle. Someone punch you in the tummy. Perfect. You feel it? Hoods now. The 3 fingers down. Perfect, man. This is your normal climbing position. Totally different, right? Totally different. Your saddle height is perfect. It's all okay. Good. Now I'm gonna show you what you look like on the front. Go to the attack position. You just pedal slowly. There. Squeeze your chest together. And this is the quarter view. Now this is what the wind would see. Knees together, okay? Make an effort to put the knees together. Perfect, perfect. Very nice. And if you notice, the hoods disappear in front of it. And this is the side view. That's a good arc on the back. And this is a size 49. Move forward on the saddle, tip of the saddle when you want to attack. There you go. You feel it? When you move forward in the saddle, there's more power on the torque, on the quads, right? And the hoods now become your aero bar. So I'm gonna remove the bike. Look at this. Yeah, keep on going. Keep on going. So if I remove the bike, it looks like he's on a time trial bike. Look closely. This is his time trial position. So if he had a time trial bike, this would be it. Perfect back, like this back. Good line of sight. And then if I remove my hand, he's just on the road bike. Okay, done, brother. Done. Done. Okay, done. So now confirm, right? Size 49 fits you.
Tama.
What's the difference?
Dati, before, dito ako humahawak.
Before.
Kasi kino-compensate ng katawan ko yung length ng top tube.
Okay.
Ngayon, ito, saktong-sakto.
Sakto na. Okay. See, guaranteed. That's amazing. Now you're now confident that you have the right sized bike. And this is when we say that height is not only it's not the only metric for bike sizes. You have to consider the whole person. And the reason why we have this knowledge is we also develop custom-made titanium. Get off the bike. I'm gonna show you your video. And that's all, folks. That was a very quick episode. Give me a fist pump, brother. Thank you very much. Done.
Bye.
So we found some non-road bikers. Do you want to find out what non-road bikers look like?
Yes.
They look like
Normal people.
Yes.
okay. Come, let me see, Ian. Okay, here we go. So this is what normal non-road bikers look like. This one, me, looks like a road biker. Tom looks like
Linebacker.
statue. Ian looks like a log. What's your name again?
Bea.
Bea and?
Andrea.
Okay, one. Where's everyone? One, two. One more. I'm gonna go farther. Here we go. There we go. One, two. Perfect. One more. Perfect. So he's now climbing at a faster rate than before. Sustainable. Now we're gonna showcase to you how he would be sprinting on the climb. Okay, this is now Justin climbing on the steepest part of the... Natalo sa sabong, lumit. Ayan. Binenta yung katawan sa sabungan. Okay. Not too far from the usual high-end branded bikes, okay? So, don't be fooled by the name. Sunpeed does the job. Lift it up towards your face. Lift it up towards your face. There. 5, 4, 3, 2, recover. Okay, so this is Chai. Chai, you don't have a bike yet, right? So this is a borrowed bike, correct? Okay. So our objective today is just to figure out your real potential, okay? Abs, steady. Don't be in a hurry. Feel the abs. Very nice. Unlike here, you're gonna sprint, okay? Ready? Set. Go. Come. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, recover.
Save the numbers instead of using
what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it